been one snowfall after the next, and with another nor'easter on the way, folks are scrambling to get ready for another round.
It gets tricky because these are narrow streets. There's parking on both sides. So once the snow starts piling up, it just becomes another obstacle that you have to navigate around.
This is going to be a different type of storm because it's going to be heavy snow rather than the last storm.
At Charlestown Ace Hardware, all winter supplies are flying off the shelves.
Sleds, shovels, ice melt, ice chippers, and everything is sold out everywhere. I mean, we're buying from like independent vendors at this point.
Ice melt and shovels are still in high demand.
We had this much this morning, cleaned it out, just got that dropped off, and we got more coming back in a couple hours.
Rosemary from Charlestown is cleaning off her car now, getting ready for the snow emergency.
I did food shopping normally on Friday, which I did yesterday, and I don't really have anything to do, so I'm retired. I can just hunker down in my house.
Good for you. Are you sick of the snow?
Yes.
If you see the pile over behind the 99s over there, that was just all night, pushing.
Paul Ventura drives a loader and this salt truck. He says the last storm, he was out for 18 hours straight. He's gearing up for another marathon workday.
As you get older, it gets a lot tougher. You get drained. You get really drained. It takes a toll on you.
And with many streets already blocked with snow, residents say they're having a tough time finding a place to put fresh snow. Eric Brown from Brighton says this fenced area is his snow collector.
This little fenced-in area is like a lifesaver because, like you said, most people don't have a place.
Many were hoping spring was just around the corner, but it doesn't appear to be the case.
Dominic was right, and actually, Eric was right. So.
In Charlestown, I'm Paul Burton, WBZ News.